Probability using combination. Okay, there are several ways of approaching these type of questions where you are asked to pick up more than one object. Okay, like here the question says in 41, from a bag containing 4 white and 5 black balls, a man draws 3 at random. So earlier you used to pick just one thing, okay, now you are picking 3 things at random. What is the chance of drawing 3 black balls? Okay, let me break this question down first. Okay, let me explain several things with these questions. Okay, we will be solving this question, okay, later on. Okay, let me tell you, if there are 4 white balls, I'm using this question as an opportunity to explain everything. Okay, 4 white balls and 5 black balls. Okay, if I'm choosing one ball and that should be white, so what's the probability? We already know that probability of one white means there are 4 white balls, so we have 4 possibilities out of 9. Okay, so the probability of picking one white ball is 4/9. Okay, all right. Now what if I say I am choosing 2 white balls? 2 white balls. Okay, then for the first white ball the possibility is 4/9, the same. But now when you are choosing the second white, because you are required to pick up 2 white balls, white, now as you have chosen one white ball already, now you have 3 white balls left. Okay, out of 4, one is gone here. Okay, now you have 3 white balls, and now you don't have 9 total balls, now you have 8 total balls. So this is the probability of choosing exactly 2 white balls. Okay, you can solve it further. 3 times 3, 4 times 2, that'll be 1/6. Okay, got it? Similarly, if I say that you are choosing 3 white balls, so it just goes on white, white, white. First white is 4/9, second white 3/8, and third white 2/7. Similarly, if it asks you to find 1 black or 2 black or 3 black, similarly you will do those questions. Okay, all right. So like 1 black, probability of 1 black, so that is 5/9. Probability of 2 blacks, first black is 5/9 and the second black is 4/8. Okay, all right. And similarly for 3 blacks, like the question asks, 3 black balls will be 5/9, 4/8, 3/7. Okay, let's solve this one, because this is we were supposed to solve this question here. 4 times 2, 8, 3 times 3, 9. So that will be 5/42. Okay, this one. Alright, I'm not done yet. Okay, this question has been done. Okay, but I want to explain something else. Okay, again, as we have 4 white and 5 black balls, what if ask you to choose 2 balls, a white and a black? Okay, so probability of 2 balls, a white and a black, and I'm not giving you the order of these balls. It can be black and white, It can be white and black. Okay, so let's do it for white and black. All right. Okay, if I choose the first ball and that should be white, what should be the probability? 4 over 9. Sorry, this is 5. Let me. Okay. Excuse me. 4 over 9. Okay. Now the second is black. We have 5 black balls here still. Okay. So 5, but we don't have 9 anymore. We have 8. So this is the probability of choosing first white and second black ball. What if I say it can be black and white? Because white, black, black, white can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Okay, remember the permutation? When there are 2 things, you arrange them in 2 factorial ways. When there are 3 different things, you arrange them in 3 factorial different ways. So there are 2 ways of doing this. Either you multiply it by 2 factorial, because again you will be getting the same. How? Okay, let me explain it. Plus black and white. White, black is done. Now black and white. So what if I choose the first one, black? That will be 5 upon 9. Okay, now the things are different here. Here it was 4 upon 9, where here it is 5 upon 9. Now the next is white. We have 4 white still. Okay, 4 over, but the total are 8 now. 4 over 8. 5, 4, 9, 8. 4, 5, 9, 8. So the answer is same. That's what I was saying. You simply multiply it by 2 factorial. That is 2. Why go the longer way doing this all? So onwards now, what you have to do is you see in how many ways this can be arranged, and you multiply it by that number. That's it. Okay. All right. Now let's do it again. Or 4 over 9 times 5 over 8 multiply by WB means 2 factorial. So you multiply it by 2 factorial. So the answer will be same, of course. Okay. All right. Okay, let's go ahead. You must have gotten this so far. Okay. All right. Now again, I have 4 white balls and 5 black balls. I'm choosing 3 balls. I'm choosing 3 balls now. The question will say that choose 3 balls. Okay. So 2 white and 1 black. So what's the probability of 2 white and 1 black ball? So what you are looking for? White. Sorry.